discuss about IES 2024 examination. What we will discuss? We will discuss about the pattern, the syllabus and the details. Okay. So what it is there? For the pattern is like you have general studies, that is one part. So that is one of the part which you are having for the pattern. Then second you have general English. Okay, that part is there, and the main part consisting of 4 eco papers. Okay, that is general eco 1, general eco 2, general eco 3 and Indian economy. Okay, so for this time, the 2024, you are having examination on 21, 22nd and 23rd. Like this, the dates are here 2 exam, 1, 2, then 2 exam, 1, 2, then 2 exam, 1, 2. So this is the pattern for your IES 2024 examination, and you need to sit for it. You need to give the examination you are going. So if we like to discuss that what is there in the syllabus for general studies, you have to understand the history, geography, polity, and whatever it is there you are studying, that part, that is mainly required for your general studies part. General English, report writing, normal English in a format, whatever it is there, you need to understand that. For the main paper, now it is divided how I am telling you. For general eco, you need to understand micro, then math part, it is there separately. I have done an IES video on that. I have told in detail what you need to understand for this in detail, like what you need to read for micro, which is the important part. For general eco 2, you have macro, then general eco 3, the trade, statistics, it is being divided. Mostly what you need to understand, you need to understand micro, macro, because you have to study for the 4. For you have to study the 4 things, right? Only on the day of exam, but during the preparation you have to understand everything. So you need to keep in mind what are the subjects, okay? Math, stat, econometrics, game theory. Here also game theory you have, okay? Game theory, statistics I have mentioned, trade is also there. That is the international economics, or you can tell, okay. Indian economy, that part is there. Public finance, okay. For now, theory, trade, economics, money and banking. Okay. So these are the things which you need to study, and let me tell you, IES is one of the examination. If you are preparing for this, also do sit for RBI DEPR, because the syllabus goes same. You have to study this only: micro, macro, math, stat, econometrics, game theory, trade, international economics, public finance, money and banking. So RBI DEPR, you should also sit for this examination, because these are same, the syllabus is same. Okay, so best of luck students. I know your exam will be very, very good, and if you need any help regarding anything or any matter, any solution, do tell me in my video. Thank you for watching the video, and do like and subscribe if you haven't yet.